I recently got in touch and bought a Case military bulldozer for just $500 at a local auction. To me, that's an incredible deal. New military-grade machines like this can cost tens of thousands of dollars, so when I saw this one, I knew I had to take the chance. In part one, I tackled the hydraulic hoses, oil change, and winch cable. Now in part two, I'll be testing all my repairs to make sure everything works properly. And if it does, I'm putting this dozer straight to work, improving a steep dirt road that's needed attention for years. Today, I'm back in the garage, finishing these final details. It's going to take more time, effort, and a little mechanical magic, but I'm excited to see this Case military bulldozer finally earn its keep. After many hours of cleaning, securing batteries, and chasing down small issues, everything is finally ready. I ran through my tests, and to my surprise and relief, everything worked properly. So I took the dozer out to that steep dirt road and put it to work. Watching this old machine dig in and improve the road, after sitting abandoned for so long, was unforgettable.